What if I told you that the choices you make right now could shape your financial future for the next decade? Yeah, I know, it sounds like a lot of pressure. But here's the thing, 2025 is only around the corner. You can either wake up on New Year's Day and feel the weight of missed opportunities, or you can enter 2025 with a clear, unstoppable financial game plan. Are you ready to build the wealth you deserve? Let's dive in. Right now, you might be thinking, I'll get to my finances tomorrow. I have time. But what if tomorrow never comes? The truth is, if you're not actively planning for your financial future, you're losing out on a golden opportunity. Every year you delay is another year of growth you miss. And trust me, your future self is not going to thank you for that. Think about it, how many of us have set financial goals only to let them slip away? We've all been there. But here's the cold, hard truth. If you don't take control now, you could be stuck in the same place, year after year, barely treading water. Does that sound like the life you want? I didn't think so. Step 1. Clarify your financial vision for 2025. First things first, vision is everything. You can't reach a destination if you don't know where you're going. So, take a step back and ask yourself, where do I want to be financially in 2025? Do you want to own property? Have multiple streams of passive income? Or maybe you're just aiming for financial freedom and peace of mind. Write it down. Map it out. A goal without a plan is just a wish. But a vision with a plan. That's the difference between dreams and reality. Trust me, you want to see it in front of you. Because when you see your future, you'll stop worrying about the little obstacles and focus on that bigger picture. Step 2. Build a bulletproof budget. Now, we need to talk about your budget. Yes, I know, budgets can feel restrictive. Who wants to count pennies when there are so many cool things to buy? But here's the secret, budgets are your freedom. They're the map to your financial success. Without a budget, you're just driving aimlessly. So, track every dollar. And don't worry, this doesn't mean you can't treat yourself every once in a while. It's about understanding your cash flow so you can prioritize what matters. Housing, savings, investments, and yes, a little fun here and there. Once you're in control, that's when your financial freedom kicks in. Step 3. Start saving and investing now. Now, here's where most people get nervous. Investing. But I've got a little secret for you, the best time to invest is yesterday. The second best time is today. You don't need to be an expert. Start small. Contribute to retirement accounts, like a 401k or an IRA. If you're into risk, dip your toes into stocks or crypto. If you're like, what the heck is crypto? Don't worry, you can still start with index funds or ETFs. The point is, get your money working for you now, not 2025. Compound interest is a real thing. It can either be your best friend or your worst enemy. Start building that snowball today, or you'll regret it in 5 years when you look back. If you're still watching, then you're clearly ready to take charge. But let me hit you with a reality check. If you don't take action now, you'll fall behind, fast. Every year, people fail to take control of their finances, and by 2025, they'll be wishing they had started sooner. Imagine waking up in a few years and realizing your dreams are still just the dreams. You didn't build the wealth. You didn't get ahead. And you're still stuck, while everyone else is living their best life. But here's the kicker, it's not too late to change that. The decisions you make today can turn your life around. So, what are you waiting for? Don't be the person who regrets not starting earlier. Take action now, and your 2025 self will thank you. So here's your challenge, take one step today. One action. Whether it's drafting that financial vision, setting up a budget, or opening an investment account. And don't stop there. Keep moving forward. If you do this, In just a few years, you'll be living the life you've always dreamed of. Ready to build that future? Let's make 2025 your year. Want more tips on building the wealth you deserve? Make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss out on our next video. Your future self will thank you. See you next time.